It's 8:30. First morning here, waking up. Very pretty, very cool. But the street is definitely noisy. A lot of road noise because we're right here on the main thoroughfare. But besides that, it slept well. The room definitely got cool last night. About to eat breakfast. Morning breakfast.
Sopes.
Sopas. Sopas. Okay. Bean and cheese on. This is maize. Looks really good. Got some fresh brewed coffee here. Let's see what it does. Pretty good. Took the Mavic Air up for another flight, and Randy over here about to take his Mavic Pro possibly for a flight. He said he's gonna go down to the beach and fly, so I'll probably do that with him as well. He got the Pro over there.
The Pro's over here.
Oh yeah, he's the Pro. Okay, Pro times 2, that is. Seen a Mavic Pro fly in person,
And hopefully not the last.
for this one, right?
And it crashed really quickly.
We got Commander Randy over here. About to take his bird up.
Oops.
Hopefully he won't launch from here. If he pulls that off, he's a bad man without cutting us all up and crashing his quad.
Connection issues just like you're having.
Really? I'm just videotaping you. You're gonna put you on YouTube in front of the whole world.
It's there. That happens actually hot, so.
No pressure at all. All right, these are the stairs of death to get to the roof here. And spiral on up. Now, he took off before I was ready, and away she goes. Yeah, he's being even more adventurous than I was over the scenery of the houses. I feel challenged. It's coming.
What we got to do?
What's that?
Turn on the camera.
The whole time?
The whole time.
Oh Lord. It happens. Just get her home. The sun's too bright for me to see it up there. I'm starting to hear it now. Okay, here we go. I see it. Bring her in, bring her in. I messed around, let it get late on me. I forgot to get enough pesos to last me the whole weekend the other day because I had cash. You want to exchange it, you have to have your passport to exchange your money. And I didn't have my passport with me, so I just went to the ATM machine and got about 500 pesos. I think it was 500, and it seemed like it came out to 15 bucks, which sounds crazy, but I think that's what it was. Yeah, so anyway, I'm gonna go see if I can exchange these ducats for pesos and then go get some food. Stay tuned. This will be my first time featuring solo since I've been here, so let's see how it goes. So we're back on the city bus for the Los Muertos Brewery. For beer, pizza, Limo Cadillac here. You know what I'm saying? Nothing but high class, nothing but the best. Yeah, I wouldn't have tried it, buddy.
Half a block.
Half a block? Pretty good. Navigation there, buddy. Seems like all the sidewalks downtown have this snake-like pattern in them. Stone. Just cool. A lot of rolled cobblestone, so that's why the bus ride on top of the bus is just being old and basic. They rattle you to death. But everybody seems to make it okay, so no worse for wear. We're about to go get on this beer and pizza at Los Muertos Brewery. Los Muertos Brewery. Let's go check it out. So we're in Los Muertos. About to try this beer out. Pizza.
You're the right spot.
Yes, sir. It's about to go down. I think this might be a winner. It's all on the internet somewhere, so let's check it out. What would you suggest?
It's an IPA.
I'll try it out. Shoot. Start with that.
Now,
What kind of pizza do y'all have?
they said the special is one sliced pizza, fries or salad, and
Just
then
pepperoni?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's what I want.
fries or salad.
Fries.
Fries?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Thank you. Accomplished my mission. Beer and pizza
Man on a mission.
in Mexico, Puerto Vallarta. Hey man, you hear about 75 pesos for beer, fries, or salad, and pizza. You do that shit, man. This is the chili beer right here. Let's try this out. See. You can taste the chili in it, but it's not really hot. It got a little afterburn in your throat. What were you saying?
It's pretty busy in here.
Yeah.
Most places you won't find
That's a good deal. The food must be good because there's a lot of people in here.
The beer is good.
Beer is good. Pizza and beer, baby. Try this out. The fries are extra fried, but tasty. Try this pizza out. Ooh, the tomatoes are. Tastes like they're sun dried before making a paste or something. Very good. That's all right there. My first mistake was not getting my Spanish better coming to Mexico. I was kind of practicing. I don't know shit once I got here. So I feel like it's an insult that I'm not up on my Spanish game a little better. But that's something I could work on, you know what I'm saying? Something to build. What about yourself?
Not enough.
Huh? Not enough, huh? Okay. So, Randy's over here telling me about his previous employer woes. I got my own that I do not care to talk about. But,
They're like assholes. Everybody has one.
exactly. I don't even want to go into it. But the thing being said, being your own person, an entrepreneur or whatever you want to call yourself, that's it's scary as shit, but that seems like the way to go. It's not always easy to jump into, but that's what I'm striving for right about now.
And enjoy life, luxury that it gives you.
Enjoy life. Luxury to give you, for sure. Like,
Be happy with what you got and take advantage of it.
with 75 peso meals, Puerto Vallarta, that would be absolutely delicious. Delicious. Yeah, clean it up. And I'm gonna come back after we roam around for a little while and pick up some pizza to go. So we're out of here. And of course we got barbecue later on, right? So that's gonna be barbecue. American style supposedly, not, but you know, whatever. We'll see. It'll be good. I have no doubt.